Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, it is she, it is her, it is the, it is who. Ooh, my hands are, you hear? My hands are ashy. Ooh, should I go get some? Do I have any lotion? Do I have any lotion? Let me check, because my hands are ashy. I do not like ashy hands, especially in a female. Oh, you know what? This stuff is like $70. Kate Somerville. We're just gonna have a little teach. That's what my grandmother used to say. We're gonna have a little teach, okay, honey? Just have a little teach. It's like $70 for this little thing. Like, I think 2 ounces or whatever. $70. I know, Kate Somerville. Thank God for BoxyCharm, because you guys know I would never pay $70 for this. But something in there smells good. Okay, ouch. All right, let me do that. So it is I, it is she, it is her, it is the, it is who? It's a 52-year-old woman, honey, with some ashy, rashy hands. Okay, does that feel a little better? You know what? We're going to the restroom so much and washing your hands. Let's see what is this? This is, I don't know, some type of oil. We're going to put this on my hands too, because I do not want old hands. I remember like 30 years ago, I was dating this guy. He was younger than me, and we went over to his parents' house. And his little sister was like, yeah, I could tell how old she is by her hands. I wonder what does she look like now. No comment. Okay, no comment. Anyway, okay, it is me, it is I, it is she, it is her, it is who? It is Rosie Rosette 2020 pal. Now, you guys know this here, and here hurts. So, I'm very limited in what I can do. But remember when I was doing this? Anyway, okay, so let's talk about it. So let's get right into it because, for the COVID, I don't know what's going on. I mean, things are really getting bad. Ooh, right here hurts. Right here hurts. Okay, so, um, all right. So, California. Let me just get into all this or whatever. I don't know. I don't know why I wait so late. I have no idea. I have absolutely no idea. I was off today. It's almost 11 o'clock at night. Anyway, in California, okay, let me readjust my eyes. In California, California has 4.22 million cases in the past 24 hours. 11,390 people have contracted the coronavirus. As far as deaths, 64,661. 31 people passed away in the past 24 hours. Now, in the United States, 36.7 million cases in the past, I don't know about in the past 24 hours, but 621. Okay, that number is not right because that was the number yesterday, right? That was the number yesterday. Something's not right. Today's the 16th, right? Something's not right. But anyway, let's just look at these stats. It's still going up. Look, it's still going up. Up, up, up. I don't know how. I don't know why. I don't know how. I don't know when it turned to left. And the schools are starting, and like I said yesterday, 400 kids have passed away from COVID-19. Like, where did this number come from? Is this from the Delta? Because for a year and a half, you rarely heard. I think like maybe 5 kids died, and now it goes from 5 to 400. No, something just is not right. I don't know. I know one thing. I'm getting hot. I am definitely getting hot. Okay, let's see. It still has the same number. Texas has 3.33 million. We don't know how many people died in the past 24 hours. They have 54,488 deaths. Um, hmm. Well, I did the video about the same time last night, so it should have changed over. Okay, so they are not updating. The CDC has not updated in the past 24 hours. Okay, so this is in Texas. Multiple regions across Texas now completely out of ICU beds. Completely out. Completely out. COVID-19 cases are skyrocketing in Texas. Nursing homes. Hey, this is okay. Texas mask mandate ban can stay as COVID court challenges proceed. San Antonio teachers staff must be vaccinated. Duh. Doctors see COVID Tex, doctors see Texas COVID surge lasting months as hospital resources stretch thinner. That's really sad. That is really sad. Now, what happens when the nurses are just too tired to take care of people? Like, what happens then? What happens when, God forbid, they start catching COVID or whatever? Like, what happens? Who is responsible for this new strand, this new variant of COVID? Someone has to be accountable for this. I just, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. There's not a lot of stories in Texas about this. You know how they usually have, um, okay, let's see, Texas cases today. Hmm. Okay, top stories. U.S. expected to recommend vaccine boosters for all Americans in alarming cases. See, y- you know, um, Florida COVID surges keeps getting worse. Texas brings in out-of-state nurses as hospitals fill. What the Delta variant means for COVID-19. So you know what? I think we're going back. Allegedly, I think we're going back on lockdown. Honestly, I think we are definitely going back on lockdown. I think so. Okay, can I refresh this? Let's see. I think we're going back on lockdown. Okay, let's go over to Florida, even though Florida is not going to give us any information, which they haven't been giving. They haven't proceeded to give us information in the past 2 or 3 months. Okay. Okay, so Florida, top stories. 5,500 students forced to quarantine in Florida school district. I did hear about that. 5,500 kids. 5,000 kids. That's a lot of kids. That's a lot of people. So if they're quarantined, then does that mean that their parents have to be quarantined? Can their parents go to work? See, it's a lot of elements to this. How are we supposed to survive? Like, my freezer is full. Actually, my freezer and my refrigerator. I have enough food. Probably, I can go on a water fast. That maybe I need to. I probably have enough food to last me a good month. No, I have probably enough food to last me about 2 months. See, because I can go on a water fast. I can go vegan. I have 3 heads of cabbage in my kitchen ready to be cooked. I don't really eat a lot of meat. I really don't eat a lot of red meat. Now, the only time I like eat red meat is when I have a burger, like at Wendy's. Like I don't think I don't know what type of meat that is. allegedly. But I think things are about to go bad again. Let's see, another article in the Orlando Sentinel: healthcare system is really hurting, but Florida isn't under a COVID-19 emergency. Why? I don't know. Three unvaccinated teachers in Florida County die of COVID within 24 hours. Oh, wait a minute. So now the teachers are dying. That's a sad, sad state. Three die. Oh my God. In Broward County? Mm-mm-mm. Okay. Why is the pandemic so bad in Florida? Because they don't have any restrictions. Hello. So, total cases in Florida is 2.88 million. We don't know how many people caught COVID in the past 24 hours because Florida has not published those numbers in months. I think since May, Florida has not published those numbers at all. Okay? All right. So, as far as deaths, there's 40,766. But what I need you guys to focus on is, okay, I'm going to move this over, the date thing. But look at how high it is. Okay, let me get my pen. Let me have my pointer. Okay, you see, it went from here all the way. Now, what are the blue lines up here for? What what is the grid for the blue lines? Of course, I don't know what those blue lines are. They don't have what is it? A bank or something to let me know what are. I don't know. Maybe those are cases. Maybe those are cases that they had today or whatever, because the light blue line is far above the dark blue line. I don't know. So it's saying that they have 0 new cases. You think they're lying? Florida, something is going on. Why isn't it that the CDC has not? Why isn't it that the Florida has not, or they don't have to report their numbers? You guys, you have to understand. In the medical field, in an environmental, in the whatever type of field, you have to be transparent, because if you're hiding something in this magnitude, something went wrong. Something went wrong in Florida. What? I don't know. I don't know, but something definitely went wrong. Okay, let's see what New York, because New York, they got the email, okay? They vaccinated, what did they do? They quarantined, they stayed out of Dodge or whatever. So New York gets it, okay? Florida, I don't know. Florida and Texas, I don't know. Okay. Oh, did you hear that? Okay. So in New York City mandates COVID-19 vaccination for restaurants. Wow. That's good. No vax, no service. COVID vaccine mandate starts Tuesday for New York restaurants. I mean, but it's kind of hard because they're already suffering. I told you when I went walking in San Jose last Saturday, um, 90% on Saturday when there's a blues festival a block over, all the restaurants were closed. Not all. 95% of the restaurants were closed. This is downtown on a Saturday. I don't know. In San Jose. Okay. Diners leave bad reviews, scream at staff over vaccine mandate. Listen. The U.S. to advise boosters for most Americans 8 months after vaccination. Oh my God. Did you guys, when I got that vaccination on this arm started hurting. Don't ask me why. They were like, we haven't seen anything like that. Well, I haven't felt anything like that. How do I get a shot on this side, but that side hurts? I don't know. Anyway, fully vaccinated Southwest, fully vaccinated Southwest Airlines flight attendant dies of COVID-19. Oh my goodness. Now, isn't that something? Fully vaccinated. You know what? And see, people are still going on trips. I don't know. My uncle's giving a barbecue on August 30th. I might have to miss that one. I may have to miss that one because I mean, is everyone going to have on a mask at the barbecue? I don't know. Cuomo announces New York healthcare workers must be vaccinated against COVID-19. Um, immune compromised New York. Immune compromised New Yorkers now eligible for third COVID-19 shots. Wait a minute. So we're getting a third shot? Oh my God. Key to New York City. Indoor vaccine mandate begins on Tuesday. Can the vaccinated develop long COVID after a breakthrough infection? What? Can the vaccinated develop long COVID after a breakthrough infection? What does that mean? That's what it says. Look, read it. Can the vaccinated develop long COVID after a breakthrough infection? Hey, I don't know. You hear my neighbor's got a problem. Go buy a house, okay? Because I'm not talking loud. It's not my problem. I don't know why you have your window open this way. Put on some air conditioning. But, it is what it is. Okay. Washington's Ron Rivera blasts COVID-19 vaccine misinformation. New York mandates COVID vaccine for healthcare workers. Oh, God. Okay. Same numbers as yesterday. New York City has 1 million cases. Not 1,000,001, not 1,000,002, just 1 million. This is New York City. And they have 33,657 deaths. Okay. In New York State, they have 2.2 million cases and 53,476. I just remember when New York City, New York State, New York City. Remember, last March when they were just like people were dying like 800 people a day? And now it went from New York State to California. Not that 800 people were dying a day, but the record amount of cases, well, maybe not in California, but in Florida. Like, what happened? What happened? Maybe they lifted the restrictions too soon. Maybe everybody flooded to Florida. Maybe just like, maybe I should start looking up Vegas. Okay, so let's do New York. I think I might do Nevada to see what is the hot spot. So let's go to Michigan because I have to do. Okay, so Michigan colleges set fall requirements for mask and COVID-19 vaccines. Michigan reports 3,554 new COVID-19 cases, 19 deaths over 3 days. Michigan reports 3-day total of 3,554 new cases from Saturday 14th. Okay. Michigan tops 20,000 COVID deaths. Braces for new wave. Okay, so I read this 10 hours ago. Michigan reports daily average of over 1,100 new COVID-19 cases and 19 deaths. COVID-19 in Michigan. Confirmed cases reached 922,687 with 20,030 deaths. Okay, so Michigan has 1.03 million, which that's the number they had yesterday. 27,277 deaths. I don't know what they need a bank or a ledger. That's what it's called, a ledger, to tell me what are these light blue lines mean, because I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I was gonna do Nevada, Nevada, Nevada. Oh, oh my God, Nevada. Let's see. Okay, so Governor Sisolak to update COVID-19 in Nevada at 5. Okay, Governor. Update. Okay, Sisolak offers options for going maskless at large venue events. Oh, football season is about to start. Oh my God. Um, okay, so the governor gives maskless option for vaccinated attendees at some large events. Okay, I guess he made a big thing. Nevada parents sent child to Mars Hurst Middle School after positive COVID test. Oh no, more than 80 students. Darn it. New 200, 2,500 plus COVID-19 cases. 3 deaths reported in Nevada over the weekend. Jeez, that's a lot. That's a lot. Nevada becomes the latest COVID-19 hotspot as hospitalizations rise and vaccination rates plateau. As the Delta variant surges in Nevada, the young and the unvaccinated bear the brunt. Tesla to mandate mask at Nevada factory. Nevada adopts COVID-19 mask rule. Nevada issues emergency order requiring masks, vaccinated or not, in a dozen counties starting probably Tuesday, probably in a couple hours. Clark County Commission to discuss possible COVID-19 mitigation measures. Well, okay, so in Nevada they have 3,071 cases. 371,000 cases. That's it. Sorry. And 6,160 deaths. That's not a lot. California has 10 times more cases than Nevada. So is Vegas safe? Oh my God. I hope they don't shut down because let me tell you. I told you when I mean, this is, no, this, well, when I went, they didn't clean my room. I stayed at the Link, which is a perfect, perfect location to stay at. Cute, that's a cute little hotel. Cute little hotel, but they didn't clean my room. I was so appalled. I have never, in all my 52 years, I have never stayed at a hotel that they didn't clean it, change it. Well, they never really changed the sheets, but change the towels or whatever. Oh my God. Make up the bed. You just never miss something until it's gone. Until it's gone. You know, I don't know what's going on with COVID. Let's just put COVID-19 in Google and see what's going on. I don't know. Things are just really getting bad. Falcons say they're the first NFL team to reach 100% vaccination. Raiders to require proof of COVID-19 vaccination from all fans attending home games. So I wonder if you can't get in. Are people selling their tickets? You know what? I wanted to go to a concert. Oh, on October 2nd, and I don't think that's going to be a possibility. A grim warning from Israel: vaccination blunts but does not defect Delta. Oh, here we go. Biden admin expected to recommend booster shots for vaccinated Americans, higher risk of Bell's palsy after Sinovac COVID vaccine. Oh, shit. What the hell is Bell's palsy? Breakthrough COVID-19 cases top 7,000 in Minnesota. Catholic leader fueled lies after COVID-19 vaccines before ending up on a ventilator. You know, 5,000 COVID, $5,000 COVID grants available for Santa Clara small businesses. Okay. U.S. to recommend boosters. Most people reports. COVID-19 outbreaks in California workplace more than doubled between June and July, data shows. Coronavirus Bay Area live, nearly 22 million fully vaccinated in California, but we have 40 million. So that means that there's like 18 more million people who are not vaccinated. That's a lot. That's a lot. Okay, Santa Clara approves additional dose of mRNA COVID-19 vaccines for. Okay, Delta variant puts a damper on return to San Jose schools as COVID cases rise. Mm-mm-mm. I just, I don't know what to say. I honestly don't know what to say. I would have never imagined that we would be going backwards instead of forwards. Like right now, it should have been to the point where everyone, oh, we're going to school, Halloween is coming up, winter, fall. Well, we don't really have winter. Fall is almost here, summer's over. We made it through the summer. No, no, no. That didn't happen. That did not happen. And I don't know what to say. I'm just bewildered by these results. It's like, it's as if once people got vaccinated, the more people were vaccinated, the higher the caseload went. Like it was a reverse relationship. More people vaccinated, the more people got, more cases, the variant, the Delta, whatever, which it should have been more vaccinations, less cases. But no, it's not even reverse. It's the same. It's parallel. I'm like, oh, I just don't understand why. What happened? What happened? Is the vaccine not working? Or, did they, whoever, because I know someone is behind this Delta variant. I can't pinpoint. Where's Bill Gates? I don't know. I don't know. I'm not saying he's the reason. I don't know. But someone is, maybe Prince, allegedly, the prince in England, because, he says that the planet is overpopulated. Someone's behind this Delta variant and the Lambda variant and the Delta Plus. Someone is behind this. This to me, allegedly, these variants are not by accident. They're not. There's not. There is just, it's no way possible. Just like the coronavirus is not by accident. Like this, and the stock market hasn't crashed. The richer got richer, the poorer got poorer. Like what happened? How did this work? You guys really, I got vaccinated, but it wasn't enough. I have to get a booster now. Like what? What's the use of getting vaccinated if I got to get a booster? And what about these little kids that are dying that are going to school? What about the teachers who have to teach these kids and are contracting the coronavirus and dying? Like, what's going to happen? Anyway, you guys think this over. Hopefully, I can come back tomorrow and we can readdress this, okay? Hopefully, hopefully, hopefully. All right. Let me do it with this. Ooh, ooh. Okay. All right. Talk to you guys later.